Creating a lead magnet page in LeadPages can seem complicated, but in this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to build one in just a few minutes. If you're looking to create an effective lead magnet page that will convert visitors into subscribers, stay tuned. You'll want to watch all the way to the end, because not only will I show you how to create this page, but I'll also share some insights into better alternatives that might just serve your needs even more efficiently. First thing you want to do is log in to your LeadPages account. If you don't have one yet, they offer a 14-day free trial, so you can test everything out before committing. Once you're in, head over to the Create New Landing Page button. LeadPages makes it super easy by offering templates. You can start from scratch, but templates are a great option to save time. Next thing, pick a template that fits your lead magnet offer. You want something clean and simple that directs attention to the value you're offering, like an ebook, checklist, or guide. Make sure the design matches the tone of your offer. A cluttered page will distract potential subscribers. Now that you've picked a template, it's time to customize it. First, adjust the headline. This is your hook. Keep it clear and compelling. You want to instantly tell visitors why they should download your lead magnet. Something like, unlock your free lead magnet in just one click should do the trick. Then, add a subheading explaining the benefit they'll receive. The next thing, focus on your call to action. The CTA button is critical, as it's where the conversion happens. Instead of just a generic submit, try something more enticing like get my free guide or download now. These small changes can boost your conversion rates. The fourth thing is adding a form for users to fill out. This is where you collect your leads. LeadPages allows you to integrate with tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and others, so make sure to link your form to your email marketing platform. The fewer fields, the better name and email are usually enough to start. Finally, it's time to optimize. Check your mobile responsiveness and make sure everything looks great on smartphones and tablets. LeadPages does offer mobile-friendly templates, but you should always double-check to ensure everything displays properly. Now, here's the thing. While LeadPages does offer a lot of features, you might find it a bit limiting depending on your goals. You see, there are other platforms out there that might give you more customization options, better integrations, or a more flexible pricing structure. I'll get into some of those alternatives in just a moment, but first, let's talk about LeadPages' free trial. If you're interested in testing it out, use our exclusive link in the description. It'll give you access to extended features that you won't find anywhere else. But before you make any decisions, stick around, because I'm going to share some alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific needs, platforms that not only have free trials, but also provide more powerful tools to meet your lead generation goals. With our exclusive link, you'll not only get the best free trial for LeadPages, but you'll also unlock some benefits that are available only to our viewers. You'll get all the features, plus some additional perks. That's it for today's tutorial. Check out the link in the description, give LeadPages a try, or explore some of the other amazing options that might be a better fit for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and insights on growing your business.